Ladies and gentlemen, in this video we're going to be replacing the headlight. If you've seen my previous videos, you know I deer hit it and it's on scotch tape right now. But I got my headlight, got some tools, and let's get to it. Alright, first things first, you need to pop the hood. And yeah, I know my shocks are bad, hood shocks are bad, but yeah, that's a temporary fix. And I know I gotta fix that. Another thing, you could use the vice grips, but unfortunately I'm using all of mine in the Lexus, so it's whatever. But yeah, in order to get this, there's 4 bolts that are really holding the headlight. But first you need to get the cover off, and I used to believe that you have to take the whole bumper off. That includes like 8 screws on the bottom and 4 on top, but really you don't. You have to just take the top portion out, just move it out the way, and you could easily free up the headlight. So let's go ahead and take the cover off and go from there. All right, so when you're taking off the clips, you kind of have to be careful to not break them unless you're gonna get new ones. So these are the OEM ones. I like these. All you do is just press in and just pull them out. Now if you're gonna have aftermarket ones, which I have some, you have to kind of get in the top, get the top part out, and then go underneath. And I guess I'll try to show you how I get the other ones. So you're trying to get the top off. So like the small ones like these, all I need to use flathead, get in there, and just pop it out like that. Yeah, so some of them, this trim tool doesn't really help, so you have to improvise, use a screwdriver, but overall it's not that hard. Alright, so from right here, you need to loosen up 4 bolts. They're all 10 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so once you get those bolts off, you have 3 more for the headlight. You got 1 right there, 2, then if you look over here, that's the 3rd one, all 10 millimeters. Also, you may have to take the bumper off a little bit. So on the side, there's some clips. I just use a screwdriver, but you could use something else to not damage the paint. I don't care at this point, so that's why I use a screwdriver, but you could use something like a plastic tool. Also, you got these fender liner over here. You got some clips over here too, so you could take those off and pop it out, and wiggle the headlight. Now it should be loose now. Then what you basically have to do is just disconnect that, and there's a side marker light, and then you could easily put in the new headlight. Okay, once you get the headlight out, you always want to make sure it's the same one. In this case it is. Everything looks the same. And let's open it up. How shiny it is. Now there's 2 different types. You have the bi-LED and tri-LED. So the tri-LED, that's with the XSE and the XLE models where they had the 3 running lights over there. This was the bi-LED, but pretty sure the process is the same thing. Now I did have to pull the bumper a little bit out the way, struggling to get it out, but it's one way to do it. Sure, you could take the whole bumper off, it'll be a lot easier, but you don't have to. Just kind of wiggle it around and shove it in there, and yeah, should be fun. Okay, so yours might look a little bit different because these are custom made bolts for this, because you know, I was hit by here and I just had to make custom adjustments to this part. But anyway, the headlight is supposed to, if you see, the headlight was supposed to actually bolt in right there, but because I got hit hard and it won't align really well, if you see that, it won't align really well regardless of how hard I try. could kind of try, but I'm just not gonna bolt in that bolt. Technically there's supposed to be a bolt right there, but just because of this case, I'm not gonna go do it. You know, I was running with the previous light that I had, put it away, but the previous light, it broke off that way. So yeah, it is what it is, but it's fine. Now put the new one in. I'm gonna connect all the connectors before I screw it all in, and then see if it works, because it would be a waste of time doing all this and then find out the headlight doesn't work. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. All the lights work. Side marker, headlight, turn signal light, it all works. Now I could just bolt it all up and finish it off. So there you have it. That's basically how you change a headlight, except if you would have taken the bumper off, it would have been a lot easier to install, but it is a little bit more work taking the bumper off. But there you go. Hope this helped. God bless.